night is almost gone. The birds have sung their last. The bells call out to mass. Sit ye by my side, for the night is very long. There's something I must tell before I pass along. I joined the brotherhood, my books were all to me. I scribe the words of God and much of history. Many a year was I butched out upon the sea. The waves would wash my tears, the wind my memory. I'd hear the ocean breathe, exhale upon the shore. I knew the tempest's blood, its wrath I would endure. And so the years went by within my rocky cell, with only a mouse or a bird, my friend, I loved them well. And so it came to pass, I'd come here to Romany, and many a year it took till I arrived here with thee. On dusty roads I walked, and over mountains high, through rivers running deep, beneath the endless sky. Beneath these jasmine flowers, amidst these cypress trees, I give